Hello students. So in this video we will discuss about three topics, namely splitting and merging table. Second topic is copying a table, and third topic that we will discuss in this video is moving a table. Okay, so first we discuss what is the meaning of all these points, means what is the meaning of splitting and merging a table, and why do we need merging and splitting of any table. So as the name indicates, splitting means dividing. Okay, splitting means dividing. So in some cases, suppose we have a table, and in that table there are different entries. As you know, in a table we have different rows and columns. We may have different rows and multiple columns in a table. So in some cases, if there is a larger table, we have larger number of entries in a table, then we may need to separate this table into multiple tables. Okay, we may need to divide this table into different tables. So this process of dividing a table into multiple sections, multiple tables, is called as splitting a table. Okay, so splitting means dividing a table into multiple parts. So now we will discuss that how to perform this splitting. Means how to perform this, what are the steps that can be used to divide a table or split a table. And now what is the merging of table? So the meaning of merging means to combine. This is the just reverse of splitting. Means if we have two or more than two tables, then it may be required to combine this table into a single table. Okay, so this process of combining the table into a single table from multiple tables, it is called as merging a table. Okay, so now we will discuss the steps how to perform it. So before we are going to discuss that copying a table. Next topic is copying a table. What is a copying a table? Copying, as you know, copy means to create another entity or another separate copy. So suppose we are having a table and we need the same table once again. Then what we have to do? We have to just copy this table. Now in this case we will have two copies. First copy is the original one, and second copy will be the copied one. Okay, so there will be two copies in this case. Now what is the meaning of moving a table? So moving a table means, suppose we have a table in MS Word, and we have to place this table in another file, or we have to place this table into another location. Then we will have to remove the original table from its location. Then that process will be called as moving a table. Okay, so moving a table means placing the table from one place to another. Okay, so how to perform it? I will discuss the steps how to perform it. So first we will discuss that how to split a table. How to split a table into multiple tables. So to split a table means divide a table into multiple parts. We can perform the following steps. We can follow some steps, then the table will be splitted into multiple parts. So first of all, place the cursor inside a cell from where you want to split the table. So first step is place the cursor inside a cell from where you want to split the table. After that, click on the layout tab. You have to click on the layout tab. After that, select the split table option in the merge group. In the merge group you will find the split table option. Okay, so in this way you can split a table into two parts. So where we place the cursor, the table will be splitted from there, okay, into two parts. Okay. Now how to merge tables? How to merge two tables? To merge tables means combining two tables into a single table. Then we can follow the following steps. The first point is place the mouse pointer in between the two tables and press the delete key to remove the spacing. Means if we are having two tables, then it's sure that there will be a gap between two tables. Then what we have just to do to combine these two tables, we just have to remove the space between two tables. So how to do it? Just click anywhere in between the space that on the tables, and after that delete, press the delete key. So as you know, by just pressing the delete key, the space is removed from the between the tables or from the document. Now just by following this process, the two tables will be merged into a single table. Now how to copy a table? So first of all, we are going to study the what is the meaning of copying a table. So copying a table means, as I have discussed earlier, that we are having one copy and we are creating another copy. That is called as copying a table. So what to do to copy a table? So first you have to click on the table. Okay, click on the table, then place the mouse pointer on the table move handle. When we click on the table, then there will be the boundaries will be shown, and on the left side corner there will be a symbol that is called to move a table or to perform different operations. That is called as table move handle. Okay. Then to copy a table, what we have to do, just right click on it, right click on the table move handle. Okay, and after that the pop-up menu will appear and there will be a option that is called as copy option. Then click on the copy option. Okay, just by clicking on the copy option, or you can do another option that is called as control plus C. Either you can click on copy or you can press control plus C shortcut key combination. Okay, then click anywhere where you want to paste or where you want to create the copy of this table. Okay, then place the mouse pointer and right click there. After that, after pressing the right click, there will be an option of paste. This is the same process as we copy and paste any data. Okay, now click on the paste option, then the new copy of the table will be generated. So now we will be having two copies. First copy will be the original one, and second copy where we have right clicked and placed, that will be called as the copied one. Okay, or in short, if you are not using or if you don't want to use the right click, so now we will discuss how to move a table. So the meaning of moving a table is just by placing the table from its original position to another location. Okay, so there are two methods to move a table. We can move a table using two methods. So here is first method, how to do it. The first method is point number 1, bring the pointer on the table move handle. Okay, first we have to bring the pointer on the table move handle. There is, when we select any table, then different options or the corners will be appeared over the table. So on the left side there is an option that is called as table move handle. So next, the second point, click and drag the mouse to move it at the new location. Means we can move the table using this table move handle. So click over it and drag the mouse and release the mouse where you want to place this table. Okay, so in this way we can move the table from its original location, original position to anywhere we want to move it. Suppose we have to move it from one page to another page, or we have to move within the page from one paragraph to another paragraph, one location to another location. Then by just using or following this method, we can move a table to another location. Okay, now we will discuss the second method. Here is the second method to move a table. So point number 1 is bring the mouse pointer on the table move handle and right click on it. So now we will have to do the same process. Mouse pointer will be moved over the table move handle, and after that we will have to right click on it. Okay, then we have to, second point, select the cut option or press Ctrl plus X. We have to select the cut option, or we can use the shortcut commands, that is Ctrl plus X. Okay, the third point, the table will be removed from its original location. So as we know, there are two methods, that is cut and copy. So when we cut any data, or when we are cutting the table here, then table will be removed from its original position, means table will be disappeared at just by pressing the Ctrl plus X, or just by clicking on the cut option. Okay, now fourth point, place the cursor at the new location. So suppose we have to move the table to another location, then at that location we will have to press the cursor. Then what to do? Here is fifth point, right click and select the paste option, or press Ctrl plus P. So the place where we have to move the table, we have to right click there. Okay, then after pressing the right click, a pop-up menu will appear where we can find the paste option. So just click over this paste option, or we can use the shortcut command that is called as Ctrl plus P, Ctrl plus P option. Okay, we can follow either the shortcut commands, or we can use the mouse click. Okay, now just by following this process, the table will be inserted at the new position. So just by following this these steps, these 6 steps, we can move a table to multiple locations. So these are the two methods. Method number 1 is this. Okay, or either we can follow this method, the second method, to move a table to the another location. Okay, so now we have discussed in this video about how to copy a table, how to move a table, how to split a table, and how to merge two tables into a single table. So in our next videos we will discuss the various other operations that will be performed over a table.